in Ajang. I'm not going to lecture. Everybody has spoken about the situation that has been taken place in Manipur. What exactly is going on in Manipur has been completely narrated by the speakers in various forms. Taking this advantage, I just wanted to ask the Union Government of India, especially the Honorable Prime Minister of India and the Honorable Home Minister of India, who is going to recover more than 6,000 sophisticated weapons and more than 5 lakhs ammunition, which was taken freely without any resistance by the Meitei Lipun and Arambai Tengo. Who is going to recover these sophisticated weapons and ammunition? Mr. Prime Minister, I want a suitable answer from the Honorable Home Minister too. Number 2, will there be peace and normalcy in the state of Manipur without recovering all those arms, weapons, ammunitions which are in the hands of Arambai Tengol and Meitei Lipun? If not, what type of action is going to be initiated by the Union government? Kuki Chin people, Kuki, Mizo, Zomi, Mar are waiting a befitting reply from the Honorable Home Minister. Through this platform, I demand a positive reply from the Honorable Home Minister. Number 3, what about the political dialogue between the Sioux group and the Union Home Ministry? Through this platform, I would like to request the Honorable Home Minister to speed up the political dialogue as soon as possible. Hicheng Thumchu, Union Home Minister, Honorable Prime Minister of India, Kadong Nominee.